Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you wherever you are in the world. Welcome to my channel. My name is Meg and I am a fully qualified yoga teacher. I'm whispering because it's quite early in the morning and I don't want to wake anyone else in the hotel up. We've got people below us, above us and over to the left as well, so I don't really want to wake them up whilst doing this. So yeah, I'm going to whisper into my microphone for this one. Today's class is going to be like a morning fresh kind of style class. It's going to be a little bit spicy. We're going to do a few like more strength workout drill type things. So you're going to be working through the body, but we're also going to be doing some quite intense flexibility as well. So this is going to be a flow style class. You don't really need anything to do this, although I always recommend using a good quality mat onto a hard surface, and the mat will grip down onto the mat and you will grip onto the mat so that you're less likely to slip, or the mat is less likely to slip from underneath you. And working on a hard surface with a good quality mat will mean that you're supporting your joints properly. My mat is from Yogi Bear and it's not an ad, but just letting you guys know I've got their travel mat and it is absolutely incredible. And when you're ready, we will get started. And we're going to start sitting onto the feet. So we're going to take a deep stretch across the front of the feet. So maybe just start by lifting one knee and then the other. If that feels too much, then just sit onto the feet and stretch out through the legs, the quads, the feet, the shins. Maybe picking up one knee and then the other is a little bit easy. So then taking both knees up. Maybe you can hold both your knees up with your hands down into the mat. Maybe you can take the hands away. Squeezing through the abs to lift your knees up higher. And then we'll take the knees down. You have a couple of different options here. We're going to come into a camel, but we're looking at doing it with a variation. So maybe just taking your camel pose, so your knees are hip width apart, right hand comes onto the right foot, and left arm swings up and back. Maybe you can do this with a variation. So we're going to take the left leg up, and then we're going to take the right hand, right foot, and bring the left arm back. Slowly coming all the way back up. Take a second to correct where your spine is, and then we're going to walk your front foot further out if it isn't already. We're pivoting the back foot, coming into warrior two, so we're tucking your tailbone under, deep bend into your front knee, lifting the arms up here. Reverse warrior. Right hand comes onto the right foot, left arm comes up, keep that tailbone tucked under, gazing underneath your left arm. And stretching through that top arm. We'll rainbow the hands down. We're going to come into crescent. So we're starting in our high lunge. Maybe you can take the hands away here, bring the arms up. Left arm to right leg, right arm comes up. Exhale to come down. Right hand comes on the inside of the left foot. Easy twist here. Lifting up the left arm, keeping tall, feeling the strength, and then we'll take that back foot back. Front leg back, and we're sitting into our tabletop just for a minute. You sit onto the knees, swing the legs out to the side, bring it into your staff pose. Feet are out in front. And melting over the legs. Remember, if this is first thing in the morning, this might be something that you need to just do really gently. And you might not find that you get very far. You can hold on to the shins, ankles, toes, whatever feels best for you. And just slowly inhale to come back up. We're going to come into our boat pose from here. So we're bending into the knees, arms are coming out in front and just coming back to your biting point. Maybe this is it here. Maybe you can lift up the knees. Maybe you can straighten the legs. And slowly, we're going to melt all the way down. We'll come back up to seated, ready to come onto the other side. Take a second if you need to here. So we're starting seated onto the knees or seated onto the knees. Start with lifting one foot and then the other. Hands are down into the mat by your sides. Maybe you can lift both knees. Maybe you can lift both knees and take the hands away. And we'll slowly take those knees down. Coming into camel pose here, either just into your normal camel pose. Left hand comes onto the left leg, swinging back and behind. Maybe doing this with your variation. So we're picking up the right leg this time. Again, left hand comes onto the left foot and the right arm swings up and back. Coming back round. Your front knee walks up to the top of the mat and we're flexing the back toes. Coming up, spinning your back foot. We're coming into warrior two. So your back foot should be facing the long edge of your mat and your front foot should be facing the top of your mat. Deep bend into your front knee, tuck the tailbone under, squeeze the belly, squeeze the shoulder blades together, left arm, left leg, reaching all the way up. Into your reverse warrior. We'll come back round to face the top foot into your high lunge. Arms come up, right arm to left leg, left arm goes back. Slowly coming back. Take your time here. You're going to take back the back foot, take down the back foot. Walk the right leg in towards you. The feet are coming out in front into your staff pose. And we're melting over the legs again. Inhale to come up and finishing into that boat pose again. So we're bending the knees, hands are coming back and behind, finding your biting point and taking the hands away. Maybe this is as much as you can do. Maybe you can lift the legs and have them bent up in your boat pose. Maybe you can straighten the legs and the arms. Slowly coming down. Finishing into your Shavasana. So we'll bend the knees, feet are wide apart, and then drop the knees in towards each other. Placing one hand on the belly and one hand on the chest. And just letting your elbows relax down and in towards the mat. Deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Maybe rocking the head from side to side here, just massaging out across the back of the skull. We'll bring the head back into center, relaxing here. Relaxing down the whole of the body. Starting from the top of the head, coming all the way down the face, into the shoulders, the chest, the tummy, and the arms, all the way down your back and into the legs, each toe. Spend a few moments here, just focusing on your breath, maybe counting it as it flows in and out through the body. Maybe seeing if you can elongate those breaths to the count of 6, 7, or 8. Just taking a second here to tune in with your own breath. Are you breathing shallowly and quickly or slowly and deeply? Noticing the temperature of the breath as it comes in and as it goes out. And when you're ready, either pausing this video and staying here, coming back up into a cross-legged seat, ready to start your day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that class today. Please like and please subscribe. It means so much to me when you guys hit the subscribe button and support me and support this channel. The more support I get with this channel, the more I can bring you guys free yoga content. So thank you so much if you already have. It really does mean the world to me. And I look forward to practicing with you all again soon. Thanks.